Good morning, my friends. I start working now on the two Ryobi's that is identical. So that one has a fuel pipe problem as well as it needs a suppressor or something on the plug. And this one is also pipe related. That is all that I know. So it's the first time I look at it and it seems if the pipe is too thick. I think they try to put new pipes in, but it seems for me if it is too big. So let me make space for us and see what is the story about this. Okay, guys, I take the tank off, and the problem is this pipe is not for fuel, it is for fish tank air pipes, and it is very, very stiff. I struggle to get the filter out, so stiff the pipe is, and that will not move inside the tank as you tilt the machine. It is extremely hard and a little bit too big. It fit loose over that points there. So this is the problem with this one. With the machine further and the carburetor, I don't know anything, but it seems to be fine. And then that one looks if the pipes is original, but the suppressor short there. So I need to check whether I can get this correct pipes and maybe replace that as well because it is old. So this is currently what I see. So I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I can't get, this is now Saturday, and I can't get some of these pipes. So, and I know it's very expensive, about 150 Rand a meter. So what I'm going to do is, for the meantime, trying to shrink it. But before I do that, I want to revert to the other machine. And I've got here a point that I want to modify and a piece of rubber for the other machine. So let's get this done so that we can try and start it up. Okay guys, let's see if we can bend this one as it should be. It is somewhat skew, so I just try to get it in line. Okay, I think that is good enough to start with. So the rubber pipe, the wire comes in here and this will fit over the plug. So let's do that now. Okay, let us see what they did here for a temporary plan. Some kind of wind up wire. So I'm going to take that off. And this will now sit there. Okay guys, I hope you can see there. So there's the wire. Oops, just a moment. Okay, let's try again. This will work like that. The wire goes through that hole like that, and then I'm going to crimp this hole like that. So I'm going to crimp the copper around that. So I'll need 2 hands, guys. Okay, let's see if you can see. There's the wire come right through the copper, and that is now crimped and held it's securely there. So now I'm going to prepare this. I'm just going to cut it off straight, and that will go over that. Just a second. Friends, there it is. I think it's okay. It's a homemade job, but let's put fuel in and start it up. Okay guys, let's start it, or try to start. And the air cleaner is, they said they have the air cleaner and the cover at home. So let's choke it. It's now the first time that I will attempt to start this. I'm not sure if there is problems with its pipes as well, and I see there's no filter in the tank. So let's try in any case. Doesn't feel if it pump fuel at all. Not. Let me check it out. Let's try a little bit of carb cleaner and see. Right, at least there's fire. Okay guys, it will not start. You can see the one pipe is out of the tank, and it might be that it is the feed pipe, and this is the feedback. So I think I will in any case have to replace all these pipes as well. So let's revert now to the other one. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is, this device is a little bit, it is taper inside. So I'm going to hot up that and then press this in and see if I can shrink the points there. And I've got a fire extinguisher, brandblusser here, in case, but I've tested it. There's no fumes that can burn. So let's hold it up a little bit. And see if I can shrink it a bit. Just let it cool. Okay guys, the temp doesn't work, so it's not worth to try any plans with this. There's only one solution, and that is new correct pipes. Okay guys, this is the other one without the tank that I worked last on. Let's try and see if it will start with a little bit of carb cleaner. A little bit more. It seems so. Let me hold it like that. That's better. Okay, this one will also run.